It was a carnival atmosphere at the Indian Air Force Base at Bangalore. Held every 2 years, Aero India is one of the world's leading arms bazaars. With India spending billions of dollars to modernize its military, the latest aerospace technology was on offer. In a world where the demand for commercial aircraft has all but dried up, India's insatiable appetite for military hardware continues to draw in manufacturers from across the world. But the key difference is, here in India, they're looking at not just selling planes, but becoming long-term partners as well.
Of course, companies want to sell, but selling in a country like India is only the first step. What we want to do and what we're beginning to do is to work together. I mean industrial cooperation, know-how transfer, joint ventures.
One of the largest deals announced was the joint venture between Agusta-Westland, a Finmeccanica company, and the Tata Group to assemble helicopters in India. Chairman Ratan Tata had a close-up look at the helicopter that will be built to meet local demand and for the world market as well.
Agusta-Westland has a very wide range of helicopters. All of them will be available for the Indian market. Most of them are pretty suitable and are responding also to existing Indian requirements, both for the civil market and from the military market.
India plans to buy 700 helicopters worth $3.5 billion. Italian conglomerate Finmeccanica is aggressively looking at partnering with Indian companies to offer its range of aircraft and helicopters. And given the size of the market, Finmeccanica is ready to transfer technology and even develop new products jointly.
We will increase our industrial footprint together with the Indian industry. In the case of the helicopter final assembly and production, in case of the defense electronics, we have to do also engineering together.
Meanwhile, 6 contenders from the United States, Russia and Europe are battling for the ultimate prize, a contract to supply over 120 fighter planes to the Indian Air Force. Worth $10 billion, this has been described as the aviation deal of the decade. No wonder then that the best fighter planes in the world were keen to show off their capabilities. One of the most advanced is the Eurofighter, jointly produced by Italy, Germany, the UK and Spain.
There's a competition between different companies, and let us be honest to ourselves, there's a competition between different countries as well. But we believe that we have the newest fighter which is on an open market today, because it's just developed, it's just going in operations, and it will be in operations for the next 50 years.
Despite India's slowing economy, the country has no plans to cut defense spending and will hand out contracts worth $30 billion in the next 4 years. That's good news for the global defense industry at a time when most Western countries are looking at cutting their military spending.